Dollar index, now we start with the daily chart. Okay, based on daily chart, if you refer to my last video, we mentioned that we are more interested in the up move, but the question was whether we can get, I mean, this is the start of the up move, or is still we can expect the price to come to this level before we look for the buy. Okay, based on higher time, I mean, when we, this is based on long, if we trade based on a long term, this means we trade, I mean, we analyze based on the daily chart. Okay, in this case, we move to lower time frame. We see how we can trade, and even based on the lower time frame, based on forward, we mentioned that is there possibility we have these two correction. This is similar any of them. Okay, that's why we said if yes, then we can look for the down move. All right. And now the thing is, when we look at this, now the question is whether this is correction for the buy or not. Okay, but what we have right now is very small. We cannot rely based on this small correction and we say we want to trade for buy based on forward unless we trade based on lower time frame. Okay, if I want to trade based on this, what I expect, at least I expect the price drop some more. I get the bigger correction before I look for the buy. And the way the correction can form, whether similar to what I draw here or similar to what I draw here. Okay, any of them. That's mean if based on forward chart, if I want to look for buy, I want to get the proper correction here. Okay, but right now we don't have any more. I mean, what we have is not enough. In this case, we move to lower time frame. Okay, based on lower time frame, 1 hour chart. If we refer back to my last video, we're looking for buy by having entry above this. For those traders, they have enough times after the price reverse. They shouldn't be in the trade. Okay, that's why I mentioned when we get the trade, as long as we get into the profit, we need to start to manage it. Now the thing is, what are we going to trade? Whether we should look for buy or sell. Okay, as I mentioned, based on forward chart, if we want to look for buy, we should get a proper correction. That means if I want to look for buy, even the price from here reverse, continue and move up, I won't take the buy. The only way I will look for buy, whether we get a correction here, that means the price is correct, drop, then from there, if I get any buy setup, I will look for buy because I want to get this correction. Okay, or if the price move up, drop, we get the bigger correction. It depends what we are going to get. It depends on what type of the correction we are going to take. I mean, we are going to have before we look for trade. But from what we have right now, we don't have any trade setup or any correction for buy. All right, is there a possibility the price we get the sell setup? For me, if we get a correction here, that's meaning we get a small flag or a small correction here, then we can look for one more sell. But if we getting the sell, as long as we get into the profit, we move our stop loss to break even. We try to manage it because if we said if we get a bigger correction, it depends how it's formed. We are expecting the price to move up. Okay, and that's what. But at at the same times, if we get a correction here, we can look for sell, and we consider this one as a short-term sell in case this is the start of the down move. All right. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup. What we want to see what we will get here before we take the trade. In this case, we will follow the chart. If I see any update or any trade setup, then I will share on YouTube. Thanks.